I think the best thing you can do is take a toke on the mayor of Toronto's crack pipe, because his number's about 48. So
there you go.
The deficit is dropping as a percent of GDP faster than any time since World War II. He saved the auto industry. Healthcare costs are flattening at any time better in the last 20 years. Teenage pregnancy is at an all-time low. I think we can stop putting the nails in the coffin here. We can admit that there's some real deep fundamental problems as president. But I think we're throwing the dirt here too soon, guys. I really do.